Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share you the tips that has been recommended to me by the TubeBuddy, and these tips are really very useful and that can be very beneficial for the new YouTuber. And so I want to share the tips. So let's begin it. First, this tips has been sent to my Gmail. So let's start this. Here are the tips. And you can see the 5 small tips to make a big impact. So these are really impactful tips I have already read, and I have also watched the other big creators video, and from there they have said the same things. So I'd like to share with you TubeBuddy's top 5 tips. So here are 5 small tips that help make a big impact. So let's begin from tips number 1. So tips number 1 is win the click. So I would like to read it. If someone doesn't click your thumbnail, you have lost a view. Spend more time perfecting your thumbnails and titles to drive clicks from your target audience. So actually the tip number 1 is based on click-through rate. Yes, what does this click-through rate means, or win the click means? That click-through rate is based on title, thumbnail. Yes, same thing is mentioned here. If your title is good and if your title is simple and catchy, and same way the thumbnail, if your thumbnail is simple, catchy, and describe a lot of things in that thumbnail, then surely the audience will click your video and they are gonna watch it. So if even YouTube recommend your video to the targeted audience, if your title and thumbnail isn't good, then if they didn't watch, then you are going to lose one view. So you have to focus on your title, thumbnail, in order to increase your click-through rate. Is you know that YouTube recommend the video based on the click-through rate and audience retention. So we are going to talk about audience retention later. So now let's talk about tip number 2. Tip number 2 is keep them watching. Right, when promoting your new upload, don't link people directly to the video. Link to a playlist that contain the video in order to keep the user on your channel. Actually, somehow this is based on a click-through rate, not click-through rate. This is based on the audience retention. So I'll describe it later. Firstly, if you have uploaded some video, then if you like to share your if you want to share your video link, then don't only send the video link, you have to send the link of the playlist. It's because if you send the link of a playlist, then they are going to get a lots of wide range of selection for your videos. If you have a nice content, and if they haven't got it, then if you send the link of the playlist, then they will be able to see the all lots of videos of you, so that you can get wide range of watch time from it. And if you do so, then your audience retention will be also high, that watch time will also gain. So in monetization it is going to be helpful for you if you are a new YouTuber. The best thing is, what we have to understand is, you have to give the link of the playlist, not the particular video, because this is going to really be beneficial for not only your one video that you want to share the link, but also other video that is present in your playlist. So talking about tips number 3 is, the tip number 3 is niche down. Then again, especially when you are starting out on YouTube, stay focused on a niche topic so your audience knows what to expect. As your channel grows, you can broaden. So the tip number 3 is based on what is the main theme of your channel, what is the niche of your channel. You have to be focused on that. Suppose, let's take an example of the channel. If your channel is based on technology, but you are putting the video of blogging and music, sports, and other etc., drama and roasting, then your channel is not going to grow, because YouTube also want that your channel should be based on a particular niche. If your channel content remixed niches, then they will not be able what your channel is based on. So YouTube cannot recommend your video to targeted audience, and it will be very negative point for you to grow a channel. So make sure that when you are making the video, and making the channel, you should be focused that what your channel is based on, and make a particular niche, and focus on the content that is based on your niche, so that it will help to grow your channel faster. And audience will also know what should be expected from your channel, and it will be a positive part for you. So talking about tip number 4, ask for the subscription. About tip number 4, I'm going to talk to you later. So now talking about tip number 5, create content you love. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. If you are not creating video about the topic you are passionate about, it's difficult to maintain and keep progressing. Yes, that's the main point. You should be consistent, because there is not any sure that today you post a video and it's going viral and that is going to grow your channel faster. No, that's not going to happen, my friend. So what you have to be focused, that you should be focused on a particular topic that you are interested, that you are passionate, that you loves to make. So if you are content creator, then you should focus that you should be able to make the content that doesn't make you bored, right? You should be focused that you should make a video that you love, because if you love something and want to make it, then even if doesn't get too much grow in a certain time, you don't feel like you have degraded. You will keep on trying and one of your video is going to be viral, and that will surely lead your channel to a maximize growth. So you should be focused that you have to create a video that you like and that you are interested, so that you could create a best video based on your talent and based on your light. So you should create a content that you love. And now talking about the tip number 4. So tip number 4 said, ask for the subscription. When linking to your channel in email signatures on your website, use this special link which will promote the user to subscribe to your channel. So it describes that you have to use the special link. So let's click here. What does it gives us? So let's look what is this about. So I'm going to click in the special link. So it is directly opening me to the YouTube, and this is my channel, right? So look, this is my channel. These are directly linked to my channel, and the people who want to come and visit my channel, they will be directly able to come and visit. And if they want more videos, then they can watch from here. There are a lot of things. So this is also one of the best tips that has been shared by TubeBuddy. So I hope this video will help you, and if you want more explanation about TubeBuddy, then put it in comment. I'll surely help you. If you want something more tips to how to beat the YouTube algorithm, then I will give the link about I'll give the link where I have detailedly explained about the YouTube algorithm. So you can click that, or at the end you can see there. So I hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching. Thank you.